I have a Ford Escape here. This one got damaged in this left front corner. Damaged, it's getting a new fender. Then it damaged this structure right here, which I have some new parts to put on. I have that piece as well as this front plate, which goes like that. So I'm gonna have to pull some of this loose and get this out of my way as well. First, however, I'm gonna go ahead and make just a couple quick pulls just to roughly pull out the damage. Then I will get these two pieces cut off. So I went ahead and I got this fender all fit up. My gaps all look nice and even. All my straightening work is done on the hood and the door. They're ready to prime up. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and take this fender back off, and I'm gonna get this structure welded in. And then when I get that finished up, I will go ahead and get this off the rack and get everything primed up and send it over to our paint department. So as I'm welding this structure on, there's 3 different types of welds they're having me use. They're having me use the resistance spot welder, which is what you just saw. There was a couple MIG welds I had to do, and now I have these 2 slots here. They actually want that welded silicon bronze. The reason being is this piece is going to be an ultra high strength steel piece, and if you put too much heat to it, it will actually hurt the integrity of the part and weaken it. So, and using silicon bronze is a colder weld. So right here and right here, I'm gonna go ahead and weld those 2 up. I have our SP2. This welder does aluminum as well as silicon bronze.